Yo, what up? Alright, we're getting ready to pull this shock up out of here. Alright, so I've already loosened it from the top. The shock actually retracted upon loosening, so and you can I don't know, it might still be some good, but I'm putting in what's recommended for this kit that I just installed, which comes with this torsion key. So we're gonna go ahead and get it installed so that we can be in compliance. All right, so it looks like we're calling for a, let's see, a 21 millimeter. Gotta use my big old wrench. Let's see. Try this again. All right. Got our shock bolt out of there. Let's go ahead and get it out of there. All right, guys, there we go. Drop that shock out there. And that's it. Easy breezy. All right, so apparently the shock may be still in good order, but due to the we're raising the vehicle, so we need a longer shock. So, all right, guys, here we have our beautiful Rancho shock. As you can see, it is nice looking, nice looking. All right, so let's get it in place. We have our hardware, our bushings and stuff. Let's go and get those in place. All right, so you're gonna first start by placing this on the bottom. Then you're gonna apply your bushing, like so. This end is going to be going into the housing. All right, so let's go ahead and put it up through there. On second thought, due to the size of this hole, let's see. Yeah, we definitely go with this side. I was about to say go with this one because it's so big, but I'm gonna go with this side right here. Put this side on the bottom here, and then it's gonna go up like so. See, this side right there. So we're gonna compress it. We're gonna hurry up and jam this baby up in here. There we go. We got it up in there, guys. Now we're gonna get this bottom up just enough so that we can get our screw back in place. So I got a small bar that I can put up under here, just enough to raise it up. Just like so. Let's get a flat one. Alright, so as you can see right here, we put this thing up on here like this. Raise it up some. Just like so. There we go. Let's get our screw back, our bolt back in place. I'm gonna have to do the reach around here. Booyah! Now we got it in there. All right, I'm gonna use our OEM nut. All right, remember we had to, it started moving, so we're gonna have to put that big wrench back on it. Right here. Tighten it on up. There we go. Alright guys, throw your boot on in place. Then apply your screw. And this will require far less turns, by the way. Alright guys, we got plenty of torque on that thing right there. And that there completes the install of our shock. I just also replaced my filter while I had it here. In a previous video I showed you that process, but I didn't have the right filter, so we did it for 10. But I just replaced it, which you didn't see, but it's easy breezy. Knocked it all out in one swing. And that concludes the installation of the hold on. Alright guys, that includes the installation of the shocks. We just installed the key, the torsion key also. And yeah, I'm gonna finish this up tomorrow morning. I'm gonna replace through the other side, but all you need to know is one side and you're good to go. The hardest side might be the exhaust side, depending on the size of your exhaust, but as you saw, I raised my exhaust up and I was good to go with that. So if you didn't see most of me talking, sorry, but hey, it is what it is. It's your boy C-Spec Curtin. I hope you enjoyed the video. We just got this thing leveled out on the 2500. I'm gonna get the other side knocked out. Please like, share, and subscribe to the video. And like I say, let me know how does it look now that it's leveled out. Keep watching. Peace.